Good morning kids, this is me Shifa. Today I am going to conduct a class on subject maths and my topic will be, an interesting topic will be biggest number. So before starting with biggest number, I am going to clear a concept on big and small through an activity. So let's start with an activity. So kids, I have taken two figures of two shapes, that is first shape is of circle and second shape is of triangle. So I have taken one small figure and one big figure. It's look small. It is small ball, big ball, small triangle, big triangle. So you know the difference by looking these two figures. Now I am going to tell you and explain the concept of big and small. So I am going to explain you the concept of small and big number. So if I take two balls over here and three balls over here, if I am giving two balls to one kid and three balls to one kid, so which number will be smaller or which number will be greater? So this is two ball, one ball is less. So this is, I am going to write 2 over here and I am going to write 3 over here. So among 2 and 3, 3 number is bigger. So I have circled number 3. If we take 3 kites, I am giving 3 kites to Ram and 5 kites to Shyam, like so. Who got more number of kites? That is Shyam, because 5 number is greater than 3 number. So I am going to discuss this with an activity sheet. So kids, this is our activity sheet on which it has been written that circle the biggest number. So in previous session we have discussed number from 21 to 30. So over here I am given from 21 to 38, 40 numbers I have taken. So first we will take this row. Okay, so it is number 1 is 21, 25 and 28. I think 28 number is bigger among 21 and 25. Now coming to the second row, 15, 17, 18. I think 18 number is bigger than 15 and 17. Now coming to the third row, that is 34, 37 and 38. I think number 38 is bigger than 34 and 37. Now coming to the question number 2, that is color the biggest figure. Among these figures you have to color the biggest one. So this is small circle, now this is bigger and this is biggest. So you have to color this biggest apple. Now in this is biggest ball, because these are smaller ball than these balls. So you have to color this ball. So now kids, I am sure that you are able to know about the concept of big and small. Thank you.